this morning and this was like full of snow and I hate snow. Well, I'm getting late, so bye. What snow is, and like, look at this. It was nothing at all last night. It's so bad, I cannot even tell you. This is from where I had to go, and this was like so deep until my knees. So my legs are inside the snow and I have to walk through all that area. And this sucks. I cannot even tell you how hard it is to walk in the snow. Can you see? Someone made a snowman. I don't know how they did it in this cold weather, but I appreciate it. It's so cute. And it's big. It could have been worse, but it's okay. It's not windy right now, so I can survive it. But if the wind is blowing, oh my god, that sucks a lot. Okay, let me just put my hands in my pocket. I'm starting to freeze. The thing happened today was my spot was free. Only good thing happened today was that I'm sitting on my spot right now, but I have to leave it because I have another class of mine which I have to attend, and then I have to take another class which is of math right after that. So I don't know how I'm gonna run from this campus to another campus, but it's a task. I hate winter. You're probably gonna listen me tell this thing, tell this phrase throughout the video because I really hate winter. I do not recommend anyone coming here. It's so bad. So I think I should probably get going because my dance class starts in like 5 minutes. Take like 2 to 3 minutes to get there, so let's get going. First, then I'll head towards the bus stop. I left my apartment and I'm heading towards the bus stop right now. It's almost -16 outside, so I'm wearing full jacket and my head muffs, and I kid you not, it's so cold. This is the bus stop and this is my apartment building. I'm heading towards the next bus stop where I have to change the bus. It's so hectic in the winter to change buses. Not came back from uni. I think I'm gonna start right on cooking after I change my clothes. So yeah, let's go. I already prepared the atta of it. Now I'm cutting all the veggies. Then I'm gonna put all the veggies in the oil after that. Okay, so let's cut the veggies now. Now I'm putting the potatoes into the water, otherwise they will change their colors. Turn on the flame now. So that until the oil becomes hot, I'll cut my eggplant. And goes one tomato because tomatoes doesn't take much time to cook, so I'm adding it after it's a little bit stir fried. I think it looks good now, but I still need to cook it under 1 or 2 whistles maybe, and then it will be done. My dinner, I did the dishes, and now I'm gonna complete my assignment. After that, I think I'll watch some vlogs maybe, because I don't have the time to watch a movie. I'll watch a movie tomorrow because it's Saturday night and it's binge watch time.
And we will discuss some extra resources. So first, what is a linked list?
Downstairs through the stairs because I'm gonna be so late if I'll wait for the lift. So my bus is almost there, so I have to run. I think I'm gonna make it, but we'll see. And I made it to the bus stop on time. The bus is not here yet, but it will be here in a minute or two maybe. And I only did waiting on this one side because I didn't have time. I just saw that bus left the other stop, and so I had to run because I would have missed my bus and I could not afford to do that now. So yeah, my hair looks so bad right now. I have to wash them tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday. I'm so excited for today because I don't like Sundays, because I know that I have to start my week tomorrow, but on Saturdays I know that tomorrow is Sunday and I'm gonna do whatever I want. By whatever I mean like binge watching. That's the only thing that I like. So yeah, where I work, Urban Panel is a clothing store. I'm heading towards it. I'm so late. It's only 5 minutes left until my shift starts to let me run. Now my bus is super late. I hate that. In this snowy weather, I absolutely hate that. But I think I should go now. Oh my god, it's snowing like hell. I hate this. I absolutely hate this. People would be thinking like, who would hate the snow? But look at this. To walk in this. And it's not easy. And I'm not even wearing my snow boots today. So that sucks even more. Just see the while I mean, like, seriously, you see, it's all snow and it's snowing heavily. To my home, like, did you see? And I'm finally here. At least I came home. I'm so glad. It was not that much. It was snowing, but it was not that cold. I mean, when it's snow, it's not that cold, but after the snow has settled down, it becomes more colder and colder and colder. If that makes sense, yeah. So I'm going to my apartment. I'll change and I'll start cooking. I'm so hungry. So see you later. Bye bye. Just came home. My hair looks relatively good. I didn't expect it to look that good because of the snow. But yeah, I'll quickly freshen up and I'll start cooking after that. Okay, bye. I just finished watching Notting Hill and I get to know it was so cute. I think I'm gonna start watching another movie because tomorrow is Sunday, so I get to watch it and I still have time until 3 o'clock. Yeah, so I better not waste any time because I have to sleep also after this. So, bye bye. sprinkle some salt, some pepper, and some chili powder. Now I'm adding some sriracha to make it a little more spicy. Now I'm adding capsicum into it because I like a little crunchy. Some cheese so it's so thick now. I think I'm gonna add my pasta now. Adding some oregano, mixed herbs, and a lot of chili flakes to make it spicy. Now it's ready to take in. Let's go.
Know who else she spoke to. So why do you think the whole family is involved?
Habit of walking after I have my dinner, so I'm walking right now. I'm gonna study for a while now, and after that I'll call it a night. So thank you for watching till the end. See you later. Bye bye.